They're like a crackhead, cokehead, molly popping, bumblehole boy they were named Kraff. Let me tell you something, boy. If you don't know, you're gonna know now.
Bad man, them just sitting there and make sense, brother. Can me tell you this?
You say, feel me money, where you have pussy hole. Me not care where you want to come from, or who you want to know, or who you done. Or you tell me, say, I'm a gunman, you listen to pussy. Let me tell you this. You have to run back every cent to me give you back the boy.
A few moments later.
All me I see is spit and no bread. Used to them want bread. Bread is fuel. Fuel is peace. Stop wasting my time.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media.
When you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know a thing set, man. You see it. Bless up everybody. You see it. Yeah, man, a new year from them, you know. You see it. But people who don't know Media Fox, you know. Fresh year. You know a thing set. You know say I want Media Fox. And when you forward with, you don't want to know. Normal. You understand? So look at now, people. You don't know what going on media already with Kraff and the brother, the promoter. You understand? I don't remember what his name, but I bag a chatting. You see it? So I see it in the media, I say, I have to address this, you know, because I say, oh, this look like some unprofessional thing. You see me? But we're going to listen to what that brother I say, and we can reason it out.
Peeps. First I want to say to all the patrons who buy them tickets, the Gallery Bunks, Amazon, December 31st, which is today. I want the general public to know this. I'm right here in the Hilton W3 Hotel in New York City, right? Yesterday it come to my attention that little brother there, that little crackhead, cokehead, molly popping, bumblehole boy they were named Kraff. Let me tell you something, boy. If you don't know, you're gonna know now. You say, feel me money, where you have pussy hole. Me not care where you want to come from, or who you want to know, or who you done. Or who you tell me, say, I'm a gunman, you listen to pussy. Let me tell you this. You have to run back every cent to me give you back the boy. Peeps, this is the contract from Showtime. Look at thieving girl named Cara. Here, give me a contract. Them say, them have a contract, they don't know about the show. Showtime. Them charge me $40,000 for the show. I want to see what I go on. Okay? From the moment, one next criminal one from Upper Atlanta, I live America, live Jamaica, name Tiffany, that's not even a real name. Let me tell you this, peeps. From the moment they speak to that girl, the first time I ever speak to that girl, the first thing she come to me with is that Kraff need to do in tea, they need $2,000 from me. I wanted the show so bad because the show, Gallery Bones, the name of the event, the little dark shit of one blood clot song named Bounce Up in the Bunks in the dark or whatever. I'm going to say, you know what? I'm a good team for the show. Alright? I sell her $1,500. Remember, we don't have this thing. This thing in play yet. Okay? I sell her $1,500.
Brother, yo, Jano. I don't understand how to them promoter, you know. You understand? But this is the problem, brother. You say if you're not ready, bro. Because he might try a thing, you know. You can't say he might try a thing, and as him said, the only reason why I'm book Kraff is because the song where Kraff have. I mean, like, I feel like me and Bunks in the dark. I could shut the room right. You understand other song there? But, brother, if you're not ready to deal with business, bro, allow it. Wait to not. Don't have the exact money. You have to make sure you don't have overs or anything. Because I don't know how you send money and contract never reach yet. You understand? Me tell you, say, bro, this friend thing I don't feel comfortable and feel like, alright, I'm gonna put that money in another person in your car. Yeah, then when you deal with it and start, bro, you have to stop it, brother. Deal with the thing in a business way, bro. You cannot send money and you get no contract yet. You understand? Yeah, say, oh, yeah, sell money and all of them. So, brother, I come like, boy, I don't know, man, tell the people. Because I remember saying, this go on, at the same thing with Vice Cartel, you know. Money I send, this I send, contract breach, all of them look something and then boom. Them gone with the money. Because the rest of the money maybe not pay at a certain date. If you don't have the money, bro, or you not borrow from friend or whatsoever from, it don't make no sense, dog. It don't make no sense. You understand? Because you can't see say yo, at first me and that brother you still. You see me? So bro, you just have to get in a thing sorted out, brother. You understand? This sending money. Not necessary if no contract no reach yet or things to sign up or you know, you can't just send money so brother.
And my work, whoever know me a trucker, know a trucking business me into. Watch this now. Me reach Orlando, Florida. And she called my phone again. I said, girl, these. I said, here we go on. Now come link you up in Atlanta. Me drive, remember you know, me drive an empty tractor trailer from Orlando Airport to Atlanta. Right? Me give this girl me Capital One car with $7,000 US on it. I'm say, here what you do? Keep your car. Me replenish your car. Okay. Them look for me and say, alright, girl, these.
Brother, so you have a card with $7,000 US on it and you give somebody. So you gotta repent. Yo, dog, I can't tell the brother. Bro, what I'm doing now? Bro, you always want to keep a show. I'm so desperate, bro. Like, you know, people, cause the same thing will go on at the cartel show, you know. The brother go pay, I think he will have to pay one next promoter, must be 100,000 US, I think. Just for cartel if you perform on that day there. So him pay the promoter for make cartel book for him. But when you check it, him not finish pay all of the money yet. Seeing? But this are the problem now. These man, them so desperate, bro, for rush. A rush, him a rush can want say, yo, want keep it on the date. And him not sure of these things. Him not meet the requirements them cause for them team, whatever team, when name, Kraff them team, I say, you know, hotel no book. All sort of thing no book. For them reach at the place, the rest of the money no send. So, me no know this brother you give some other people you forgive somebody $7,000 card. All on by your card. People you see this man you sick. Who, but first me I hear these people. Who you hear out there with promoter a give people where them a book or work with some team, artist or something. $7,000 per a card. Tell them to hold this. And then we sort it out. Brother, one tuna dog. One always go down the road and then no forward pan the media now. With the one bag of loud talking and all of them like a thing there, bro. And uno self for those stupid things. Oh me if we go take up $7,000 card. People, and no money, you know. Remember, you know, this man property, you know, card, you know. Him a give. Basically to me is a stranger. So this man you give a stranger a card. You saw for a man drive from Mosewa, Orlando go to Atlanta or something like so. And you tell me say a girl found in your truck and you give her $7,000 loaded card. Tell me no, brother. You know no sense, dog. You know no sense. You understand? No sense you know have, bro. That nah make no sense, dog. You can't have your card and I give people. Bro, it's like you give with that and say, yeah man, go and go spend $7,000. $7,000 maybe like over $1 million Jamaican that. So you just give somebody a card saying, bro, you know what I say, and show him desperate in people. Because him say you want show keep and all of them look something there. Brother, if you don't have the money, the full way for pay. Because look here now. I know say Footer Hype get booked and some other people. I know them get for them money already. Because I think I see one video with Footer Hype reach a New York. Seeing? Because according to the people, them crowd people, them say, yo, when them call a hotel, the place, them no book. So they must say, yo, why you want book at the same hotel where them are there? Which it show you say, this man don't know nothing about show business and promotional thing. Because at first me I hear promoter a book place where the artists are stay or something. You understand? Brother, no so it work, bro. Me tell them already, you know. If you don't know the business, leave it, bro. Promoter thing and not just, yeah, you may have a bag of money, me just keep no fam. You have to know the business, dog. You have to know the business. Because look here now. A Kraff are the headliner. And if Kraff not there, it don't make no sense to show a keep. Because a Kraff, the people them actually come out come see. You understand? Kraff, because of him are the artists. That's why the show couldn't bother keep. But this brother gonna take card $7,000 US dollar gonna give girl and say, boy, bro, you're sick in your head, brother. You understand? Go to somebody where just go some school, dog. Make one next promoter teach you how to do the business, brother. Please, me I beg you. Because to me, people, him have a money, him buy him have a piece of food and he must say, alright. She want name one party and must say, alright, me I go. Me I try us. Remember, I can us in a many different ways, you know. But him say, yo, me I keep a show, you know. I see what I go on. And I say, work, dog. Show business and a joke business, you know, brother. Me I tell her that show business is not a joke. Amount of responsibility as a promoter what you have. You have for the artists, the people and the supporter them, the DJ them, everybody who you pay for work for make the party go good, you're responsible for them, bro. You understand? Cause you are the promoter, you have to make sure it's a security there. All of these things, everything go good, everything go in line. But brother, I don't know. It's like, you know, to me, him can get foot of them and them people in, bro, cause them for them contract kind of different. But it's when you book an artist, bro, you have to make sure say me what they on the contract, everything fulfilled, dog. And to with the bookings with the hotel thing, you can see say yo, him not really used to them something. You understand? Because you cannot book same hotel and stay in the same hotel with the people them there. You understand? You have to make some third party thing bookings go on. You see me? But here we must say people.
In my shop, she come get the card from me. She have the card now. So peeps, more to understand this. Me not just a vent. You see me all $59,000 when me spend to make this even happen. Me just to make it known to the general public. Say, you see how anyway the boy, look a crackhead boy when he Kraff. Boy, you gonna answer to gunman pussy. Let me tell you this. You say, see me picking that money where you play with Batty boy. You have to run it back. Believe you have to run back every day.
Yo, brother, some of the time I like them thing, you know, dog. You understand, man? I like them thing, bro. Well, them have them lawyer, whatever officer out the contract or whatever lawsuit or whatever the contract say, cause trust me, the contract is the boss. Whatever you sign off on it or whatever, it will go court. You understand? But I see that brother you forward out, then I see like Kraff must have forward out 2 times. I think the first time like in a full dark, him and him talk some more, and then I see him forward out on a second one, like him say, yo, if I ask people if they want the brother get back him money and all that. But one thing me have to tell Kraff still, bro, a promoter might forward out and thing, bro, but remember this. You see the bag of media, bro, and certain things where you say, you understand? Sometimes a business, bro, and you have to just know how to deal with it. You see me? Because I don't think, I tell artists, brother, when have a value to you know. I know my craft wrong in this situation, but me have to correct certain things based on as an artist. You have to say, bro, let me tell you this. As an artist, when I have a brand, I have a value as an artist, bro, and I deal with business. You understand? I have a reputation. I don't know, I mash up on a brand, dog. So the best thing, bro, make your team, your management team, put out certain things. Like you, as I always tell you as an artist, no need to go up on Instagram live and deal with anything, bro. If you realize how the international artists them work, them not do media thing. I come out and I cuss on a promote and all of these things, bro. You understand? I most see Jamaicans, me see Jamaican artists and certain things, me see do them thing, bro. Make on a team, on a management team and them thing there. Put out a press release or some report out. Yes, I think me did see a report put out, but me I say, Kraff, just allow the media thing, dog. You understand? Just allow it, bro. Cause I think in a day so when he must say, yo, me not really know where him say to Kraff, but it's like he must say Kraff say you're only gunman him listen to. You understand? So me don't know how that go, me know the badness thing they found in. Me don't know when him say to Kraff for Kraff say that. You understand? But me I say, bro, I have to do the thing more better, brother. You understand? Have a reputation, have a brand. The bag of media going pan live and all of them, they don't make no sense, dog. You understand? No make no sense. You know, waste energy, bro. And more kind of put certain things on the brand, bro. That's why I have a management team, you know, bro. I them deal with them something there, you know, bro. You understand? I them protect on a brand in a way, bro, where it best for you. Because when you fall out and tap on the media and all of them things there, bro, them same thing they can just, in a court and, you see me? So it does best when a lawyer deal with it or a manager deal with it, put out something, yeah. The talking on the media, bro, no make no sense. Deal with the thing professional, bro. Uno as an artist no need have a forward out and say anything. You understand? Because at the end of the day, the contract speaks for itself. You see, that's all me have to say. You see me? But I saw the thing go. The promoter is supposed to learn him lesson. Say, brother, and the promoter them too. All me I say too. No. If you feel like someone have a piece of food and food can't stretch for research certain requirements, wait, brother. You understand? Wait. Better not do that. Just make sure say the main act, the headline of the artist on our book, make sure say you meet every requirements of the contract with them give you before. You understand? Set a date or what? Because bro, you fall down upon the media and one bag of thing, bro, that nah do nothing, brother. You see that the contract talk and whatever in a contract, if you breach it and you know, bro. But this media thing, this how I like, bro, like when business forward out and them reputation and all of them little thing, bro. Yeah, brother. You see me? Cause me see this mash up a lot of artists brand. This money thing, this not showing up at shows and bro, them think they're not good for brand. Cause when other promoter look out there, bro, it's like, yo, they must start think twice for these things. You understand? But people, I say thing going on. Yeah, man, I want media fox man know thing said. Big up on yourself. You see it. Safe out there. That is it.